This professional-grade hairdryer with Ionic technology forms a protective film on the surface of each hair to prevent heat damage and add shine. Wavytalk's salon-level product deeply nourishes hair and repairs hair scales. The longer you use it, the softer, healthier and shinier your hair will be. We upgraded our hairdryer to standard ETL and UL approved USALCI safety plug to better protect you during hair drying. Designed with centrifugal 18 fan blades, ultra-strong permanent magnet motor, produce high-speed stable airflow for the fastest drying. With frizz-fighting and cuticle-sealing far-infrared heat, you don't have to choose between volume and healthy-looking hair. Go from washed strands to effortlessly styled tresses for salon-quality style at home or on the go. Laifen's exclusive technology compensates excessive heat by alternating hot and cold airstream to avoid hair damage. The thermocontrol microprocessor monitors the air temperature 100 times per second and makes small regular adjustments to avoid your hair from being damaged by extreme heat. The hairdryer is equipped with a self-developed unique 110,000 RPM high-speed brushless motor. The impeller adopts the aircraft turbine engine-shaped, which helps to promote strong airflow and significantly improve the air output.